So in this discussion, we're looking at a good example of guided discovery or simple learning game. So I was going to try to take a screenshot, but that seemed a little more difficult to do to explain something because I have to log into the software. So the example that I wanted to give as a good example of guided discovery is through this training product called Lamsim. So I'll just pick one of these. Um, when you go into the system, you can go in and it's structured so that the similar topics are grouped together. But then what they also do is they go through and they give examples of activities. So they'll perform something. So they'll have a person speaking in one section. Then they will show someone actually doing something. So right now, what's going on is the software is giving us a demonstration, so it's guiding us on how to do something. So this is setting up a DNS server. Um, and then after that, students will have an opportunity to actually perform a task. So they'll go to this next thing here, they'll click the start button, and then a screen will load so that they are in a simulated instance of Windows Server 2008. So they can do all of the things that they would do uh, in a real server, but we don't have the difficulty of them messing something up that's hard to repair or fix. Um, they don't have to pay for setting the servers up and worrying about the different changes, but it's still open enough so that they can make errors, and the software is sophisticated enough to find where they made errors and correct it. So if they wanted to go into DNS, they would just do what I did on the screen. I'm not going to go through the lab, but once they finish, they'll just click done, and it will give them feedback. And so this time I scored 0 because I didn't complete the lab, but it tells me what I did wrong, and then it gives me some hints of what I should have done. And then the great thing is, as an instructor, it sends the reports to me. But that's my example of a good guided uh, tour, guided learning.